at the pet shop.
Hello, welcome to Happy Paws Pet Shop.
Hello, sir. Wow, your shop looks so nice.
Thank you. Do you want to buy a pet today?
Yes, sir. I want to see some puppies.
Sure, come this way. These are our puppies.
Ah, they're so cute.
Yes, they are. We have Labradors, Pomeranians, and Beagles.
Oh, this brown one is so small and pretty.
That's a Beagle puppy. It's very friendly.
Can I hold it, please?
Of course, be gentle, okay?
Ah, it's so soft.
Puppies love to be hugged.
It's licking my hand.
That means it likes you.
Really? I think it wants to come home with me.
Maybe it does. Do you have any pets at home?
No, this will be my first one.
That's great. Do your parents like dogs?
Yes, my dad loves dogs. Mom is a little scared, though.
Don't worry, this puppy is very gentle.
What does it eat?
You can give it milk, soft food, and special puppy biscuits.
Okay, how many times a day should I feed it?
3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and night.
Got it. Does it need a bed?
Yes, a small soft bed or blanket will be perfect.
I'll make one for it myself.
That's lovely. What will you name it?
Maybe Buddy.
Buddy, that's a great name for a puppy.
Buddy, do you like your name?
I think he said yes.
How much does Buddy cost, sir?
This one is 8,000 rupees.
Okay, I want to buy him, sir.
Wonderful. I'll prepare everything for Buddy.
Thank you, sir. I'm so excited.
I'll pack some food and a small leash for you.
Thank you so much. I'll take good care of him.
I'm sure Buddy will be very happy with you.
Come on, Buddy. Let's go home. We're going to have so much fun together.
At the ice cream shop.
Wow, Neha, look at all these ice creams.
Yes, Amit. So many flavors.
Which one do you want?
I can't decide. They all look yummy.
Hello, kids. What would you like today?
Hello, sir. We're still choosing.
Sir, what's your best flavor?
Chocolate and mango are everyone's favorite.
I love chocolate.
I like strawberry.
Good choices. Do you want cone or cup?
I want a cone, please.
Me too, 1 cone for me.
Okay, 1 chocolate cone and 1 strawberry cone coming up.
Yay! I'm so excited.
It smells so sweet here.
That's the magic of ice cream.
How much does 1 cone cost?
Each cone is 50 rupees.
So, total 100 rupees.
I'll pay, Amit. I have money.
No, it's my treat today.
Aw, thank you, big brother.
You're welcome, little sis.
Here are your ice creams. Be careful, don't drop them.
Thank you, sir.
They look delicious.
So tasty and cold.
Mine is perfect too. I love strawberry.
Can I taste yours?
Sure, but only 1 bite.
Okay, and you can taste mine too.
Wow, chocolate is really good.
Would you like some toppings? We have nuts and chocolate chips.
Oh yes, Please add some chocolate chips on mine.
And some nuts on mine, please.
Done? Anything else?
No, thank you. That's enough.
Do you have milkshakes too?
Yes, we do. Chocolate, mango, and vanilla.
Maybe next time.
Yes, we'll come with Mom next time.
Sure, bring her along.
Neha, do you remember our last ice cream trip?
Yes, it was raining that day.
And you dropped your cone on the road.
Yes, and you gave me half of yours.
I'm a good brother, right?
The best brother ever.
You two are sweet like ice cream.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye, kids. Enjoy your ice cream.
This is the best day ever.
Yes, ice cream always makes us happy.
At the doctor's clinic.
Good morning, Sam.
Good morning, doctor.
How are you feeling today?
Not very good, doctor.
Oh, what's the problem?
I have a cough and cold.
Since when?
From yesterday morning.
Do you have a fever too?
Yes, a little.
Did you take any medicine?
No, doctor, just warm water and rest.
That's good. Let me check your temperature.
Okay, doctor.
It's 99 degrees. Mild fever only.
Is that serious?
No, not at all. Just a small viral infection.
Oh, okay.
Do you have throat pain?
Yes, a little bit when I talk.
Let me see your throat. Open your mouth, please.
Ah,
Yes, it's red. Your throat is sore.
oh no.
Don't worry. I'll give you some syrup.
Thank you, doctor.
And drink plenty of warm water.
Okay, can I eat ice cream?
No ice cream for 3 days.
Oh, but I love ice cream.
I know. But if you eat it now, you'll cough more.
Okay, I'll listen to you.
Good boy. Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I was coughing a lot.
Then you must take proper rest today.
I will, doctor.
Do you go to school today?
No, my mom told me to stay home.
That's a wise decision.
When can I go back to school?
After 2 days, when your fever is gone.
Okay, I'll tell my teacher.
Here's your prescription. Take this syrup twice a day.
Before or after meals?
After meals, morning and night.
Got it, doctor.
And take 1 tablet for the fever if it comes again.
Thank you, doctor.
Also, eat fruits like oranges and apples.
I like apples.
Great. They help you recover faster.
Doctor, can I play games at home?
Like games, not running or shouting.
Okay, I'll just draw and watch cartoons.
That's perfect.
Thank you so much, doctor.
You're welcome, Sam. Get well soon.
I will, doctor. Bye.
Bye, Sam. Take care.
At the zoo.
Wow, Daddy, the zoo is so big.
Yes, it is. There are so many animals here.
I'm so excited. Where should we go first?
Let's start with the elephants. They're right over there.
Oh, look, they're so huge.
Yes, elephants are the largest land animals.
What are they doing, Daddy?
They're eating grass and bananas.
Ha ha, that one is splashing water with its trunk.
Yes, elephants love to play in the water.
Can we take a photo?
Sure, stand near the fence and smile. Perfect. You look great.
Thank you. Let's go see the lions next.
Okay, but be careful. Lions can be scary.
Don't worry, Daddy. They're behind the cage.
True. Oh, there they are. Look, one is sleeping.
And another one is roaring. So loud.
That's how lions talk. They roar to show power.
It looks strong. I don't want to go near it.
Don't worry, it's safe behind the glass.
Good. Can we see the monkeys now?
Of course, monkeys are in the next section.
Look, that monkey is eating a banana.
Haha. Yes, monkeys love bananas just like you.
Daddy, don't tease me.
Okay, but it's true.
That baby monkey is so cute.
Yes, it's playing with its mother.
Can we feed them, Daddy?
No, dear. The sign says do not feed the animals.
Oh, okay. I'll just wave. Bye-bye, monkey.
Good girl. Now let's see the birds.
Wow, so many colorful birds.
Yes, these are parrots, peacocks, and lovebirds.
The peacock is so beautiful.
Yes, and when it dances, it opens its feathers.
I wish I could see that.
Maybe we'll be lucky today. Look, it's moving.
Oh yes, it's dancing. Yay!
That's wonderful. Let's record a short video.
Good idea, Daddy. I'll show it to Mom.
She love it.
Daddy, can we see one more animal before we go?
Sure. Which one do you want to see?
The giraffe. I love its long neck.
There it is, near the trees.
It's eating leaves from the top.
Yes, giraffes eat leaves from tall trees.
Wow, they're so gentle.
Yes, giraffes are calm animals.
Daddy, today was so much fun.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Ria,
Thank you for bringing me to the zoo.
you're welcome, my little explorer.
Let's come again next Sunday.
Sure, we'll plan it.
At the bus stop.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I am. The bus is a little late today.
Oh, really? It usually comes on time, right?
Yes, but maybe there's traffic today.
That happens a lot in the morning.
True. Where are you going?
I'm going to school. What about you?
Me too. I study at Green Valley School.
Wow, I also study there.
Really? Which class are you in?
I'm in class 5B.
Oh, nice. I'm in class 5A.
That means we're in the same grade.
Yes. Do you take the same bus every day?
Yes, I do. My stop is near the park.
Mine too. I live near the small bakery.
Oh, I know that bakery, the one with pink walls.
Yes, that's the one. Their cakes are so tasty.
I love their chocolate muffins.
Ha ha, me too. I always buy one on Sundays.
So, how long have you studied at Green Valley?
This is my first year. I joined last month.
Oh, that's why I didn't see you before.
Yes, Everything is new for me.
Don't worry, you'll love it there. The teachers are kind.
Really? Who is your class teacher?
Mrs. Nita, she teaches English.
Oh, I have Mr. Arjun. He's very funny.
Haha, that's nice. Do you like English?
Yes, I do. I love learning new words.
Me too. I want to speak English fluently.
Same here. That's why I practice every day.
Good idea. I watch English videos after homework.
I read short English stories before bed.
Wow, that's a smart habit.
Thank you. Do you have many friends in school?
Yes, a few. How about you?
Not yet, but I hope to make some soon.
You already made one.
Really? Who?
Me, of course.
Aw, thank you, Leo. You're so kind.
You're welcome, Lena.
Oh look, the bus is coming.
Finally, let's get ready.
Yes, I hope we can sit together.
Sure, let's go.
Okay, let's hurry before it leaves.
What a nice morning.
Yes, a new day and a new friend.
At the park.
Hi, you're Arjun, right?
Yes, and you're Maya?
Yes, nice to see you here.
Nice to see you too. Do you come to this park often?
Yes, almost every evening. What about you?
I started coming last week.
Oh, do you like this park?
Yes, it's beautiful. Lots of trees and clean air.
True, and the playground is fun.
Do you play football?
Yes, I love football. Want to play with me?
Sure, but I'm not very good.
That's okay. We can practice together.
Thank you, Maya.
Come, let's go to the open space.
Okay, wow, the grass is soft here.
Yes, the gardener takes good care of it.
Shall I kick first?
Yes, go ahead.
Is that okay?
Not bad at all. Now my turn.
Wow, you kicked it so far.
I play every day, that's why.
You're really good.
Thank you, but you will improve soon.
I hope so. Do you have a coach?
Yes, a small one. He teaches kids on weekends.
That's cool.
Want to join us on Saturday?
Yes, I'd love to.
Do you come here with your parents?
Yes, my dad brings me.
I come with my mom.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 2 streets away.
Oh, I live near the school.
That's close. We're neighbors.
Yes, we can come to the park together.
That would be fun.
Maya, today was amazing.
Yes, I enjoyed playing with you.
Let's meet again tomorrow.
Great. See you tomorrow, Arjun.
See you, Maya. Bye.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.